You are watching Business Plan Sample, generated on bplan.projectso.com. Our business plan contains everything that your lender wants to see. The artificially intelligent software adds all related information automatically, and it also calculates and automatically adjusts various financial ratios as per banking guidelines. Should you require any assistance, our team of experts is available over an instant chat. We are committed to providing you with the support you need to ensure a seamless and successful experience. This is something only ProjectSo can do. In case, if you need any modification to your financial data, simply log in again in your user panel, choose Modify and change any previously inputted data anytime, 365 days online.